Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video, I am doing my very first Longchamp unbagging. So if you guys want to see what cute little item I have in this little bag, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, so sorry about the lighting, you know, natural light, as well as I pinned my hair up because these little parts honestly are pissing me off. But anyways, that is not what we're here for. We are here to do a little unbagging. So just a little backstory. I have been actually wanting a Longchamp bag for quite some time, maybe a few months, maybe close to a year. I have really been wanting one, but I wasn't really sure if it was like my style, if it would work for me. They have so many different types of bags. I feel like they are a designer brand that isn't too, like, it's not going to break the bank. It's something kind of like, it reminds me of like Coach in the price point range. All the ones that I have been looking at retail between $100 and like $500, which isn't so bad for a designer bag. Now, Longchamp has gotten really on trend and popular over there on TikTok land, which I do not watch, but I do watch like Instagram reels and stuff like that. So I have seen people talk about them and post them. This particular bag, I ended up getting the Strauss pochette, but on the website it was like the Le Pliage something or another. I don't know, I'll pop the name somewhere on the screen. It is the little tiny one. It's a mini bag. I really wanted a mini bag. I actually wanted a pink one, but I can't seem to find one, so I probably have missed that train of whenever the pink one was out. But I did go ahead and get a color. I did purchase this from the actual Longchamp website. They had the same exact bag on Nordstrom's, but it literally kept selling out. It would go out of stock like immediately, so I was never able to get my hands on it. So I decided to go ahead and pick it up from the actual site. I did get a little bit of gift wrapping. I purchased gift wrapping as well as it came with a little card that you can you know, have a little note on, like if you was gifting this to someone. And on the little note, I just said, congratulations on hitting 3K on YouTube. Continue to do a good job, girl. So that was my little raha to myself. Now, speaking of, if you guys don't know, I hit 3K on YouTube recently. I did just recently do a giveaway actually featuring this Alien Mugler fragrance. It's the intense version of Alien, so I am going to be giving that away. So if you have not already, go ahead, check that video out, like, share, you know, subscribe, all that good stuff, to have a chance to win that. But yeah, I have purchased myself a few little things, not anything too crazy, but I just wanted to pick myself up a few things. So I let myself splurge at like Bath and Body Works a little bit. I also purchased some sneakers and just a little random stuff here and there. But yeah, if I'm pretty excited to unbox this. As you can see, it is still tied. I have not unboxed it, so I am excited. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Like I said, it comes in this like little envelope type of thing. So yeah, we're gonna open her up. Right, and she's in here and she is wrapped up, and I guess it's not technically a dust bag, but it comes with this like little plastic baggie that I guess you can put your bag in, so that's okay. And then it is wrapped up. Oh, she's so adorable. Okay, and this is the bag. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open her. Now they do have bags with like I think they're leather and stuff. This is like a material bag, which I knew that when I purchased it. I thought it would just be an adorable like mini bag just to, you know, carry just on your wrist in your hand. Just a cute little mini bag. I see people with these and I think they are so adorable. So this is the orange color. This color has been selling out so fast. It has this beautiful lime green around there. It's actually matched my nails, so I love that. You open it up here, and then it has a little zipper, and that is what she looks like. So you open her up, and inside, that's the interior. It has the little card that comes with it, and it's just like an open, you know, an open hole. So I am going to add a few things in here and see how I feel about it. I just wanted to get one to see if I liked the little style, because I have been seeing like girls pair these with different little outfits, and I really love orange. And I only have like one orange bag, which is my Coach bag that I got around my birthday, which if you haven't seen that, I'll link it below. But that is an adorable Coach bag. It is the Coach and Lil Nas X collab. But yeah, I wanted to get this, so I'm going to be adding a few things in here from like my actual bag. This is the bag I have been using. I actually did a video talking to you guys about this bag as well, but I'm going to go ahead and put a few things in here. This bag to be like a little mini going out bag, like if I'm going to brunch or something like that. So I don't want to put too many things in here. This is not going to be an everyday bag for me. Now they did have another bag with a crossbody strap that I have been thinking about purchasing. That would probably be an everyday bag, but this is just a simple like going out bag. So what I will put in here is my card case, because that's what I carry all the time. I also have my little mirror that I keep in most of my bags. Kleenex, because you have to have a Kleenex. I also keep now toilet seat covers. I usually have this when I'm with baby girl, but lately I have been just using these even when I'm out, because you just never know. Like if you're in a public restroom, and I hate them, sometimes they have the toilet seat covers, sometimes they don't. So I just like to have my own. I'm gonna put my lip combo in here. So I have my Anastasia lip liner in Chai. That is what I have on today, as well as the Mario Makeup by Mario's soft nude. And then on top I have my e.l.f. lip oil, and this one is in Honeytail, so it's just their brown. So that's my actual lip combo for today. People are always asking me like what I be wearing on my lips. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I do not, because I don't want to put anything on the bag. I don't have anything to put on it. I will put a hand sanitizer in it. This is going to be just the blue raspberry freeze from Bath and Body Works. I'll pop that in there on the side. Now look at that, and I got so much room. I don't know where my makeup blotting pads are in, but I would usually put that in here as well as whatever my fragrance is of the day, which is Fleur's Mood Ring. So I'll pop that in here. And then normally, not gonna lie, if we're out, my husband is always trying to get me to put his keys in my bag. That is why I usually take little bags, so I don't have to put his keys in here. But I'm gonna put my keys in here, and yeah, this is my key, so I'm gonna actually just pop them in here. And look at that, I still have a ton of room. This is a roomy little bag. So close it up, and this is what she looks like. Super cute, super cute. I love this. I love this. Honestly, I seen somebody with a really pretty light pink one, but I guess, I don't know if that's older collab from last year or earlier this year, but I can't find it. But I do enjoy this one. This orange one is beautiful. So yeah, I like this. Now, my only concern about this being a bag, I really don't love that it's one strap, right? Because what if it pulls and it's kind of heavy or something? Will this break? You know, is it gonna have some wear and tear? So that's the only thing I don't love, is that it doesn't have two straps. I really think that they should make these with, you know, two straps, like, but it is an adorable bag, and $400, like, come on, it's cute. That is my little unboxing of first impressions. I think it's really nice. They do have it in a lot of colors right now. The orange one goes in and out of stock on their website, as well as they have a really pretty like olive green one or something. Wish they made the strap like, you see how it is like this way instead of it, you know, this being this way. I wish it was kind of like turned around. So if you're gonna have a strap, like I would have preferred it in the front. I don't know, but it's an adorable little bag. It's really cute. So yeah, this is my first little Longchamp. I'm curious, do any of you guys own this? Do you own any Longchamp bags? And if you do, what are your favorite bags from the brand? Like I said, they do have a crossbody that I am kind of looking into. I seen it on Nordstrom's. They actually had one on sale during the Nordstrom's anniversary sale, but I didn't pick it up. Why? I don't know. Adorable. I love it. I think the size is really good, especially for the price. Yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.